So today is Monday, January 10th. It's about, I don't know, 4:30 in the late afternoon, early evening. And I just want to make a quick video about the progress of the gate. I don't know what you would call it. Anyways, so filled in the concrete for the gate. It's all perfectly level. And then made a little ramp out of the asphalt. Kind of as best I could, because it's, you know, still winter and not very warm. But there it is. So now just have to hook up the guide to go all the way across, which is over there. Weld that back in and drop some bolts in there, and then the gate should be able to slide back and forth. And then I had to pour a little pad for the motor mount, so the mount assembly will go here and bolt onto there. It's still totally wet, but should be good tomorrow. And then hook everything up. Hook up the solar panel wire. Hook up the connect the motor. Put the gear things in for the gate, and should be good to go. So here we go.